And if that wasn't bad enough, then things just started to get weird.
I got Tabby with me out here today. She's testing the durability of my chair. And we're testing the durability of these new molds that just came in from Poland, of all places. Now they're made to use with soap, and well, we don't make soap around here, do we? Nope, this is not Fight Club. But these chocolate fondant molds work so well to make these little cats that I thought maybe it would work in bismuth on this one. I don't know. We're going to try it out. So, first thing we had to do was find something that would fit in, because these sides, the one on this one's a little bit thicker, and you can see this is what we ended up with. See how thin that is. But we ended up using our sand casting flask. Got our 18-inch ruler. Cut some pieces of cardboard to act as stiffeners. Take up that little bit of space. We leveled our pouring surface. And that stone's good and cold, so that will act as a chill. We're going to heat up our bismuth. That's our last little piece we've ordered. There I go with we again. Not we, me and 8 cats. We made a decision among ourselves to order 10 more pounds of bismuth. So, best part of $100. Anyway, we're going to melt what's left and pour it in there and see if it melts. See how big a mess we can make. This could go horribly wrong. I picked out the worst of the two. This is the mummy, and this is like an evil clown. I figured if this one gets destroyed, I can sell this one on eBay and maybe make part of my money back. So, if any thinking at all went into it, that was it. We'll get back when the metal is hot. We just want it to get melted completely. We don't want to hold it at temperature. We want to pour it as quickly as possible. Hail Mary, full of grace, help me win this stock car race. Well, that's interesting. Haven't seen that before. Why do I get the feeling I just fused 2 pounds of bismuth in with the silicone soap mold from Poland? Interesting. Very interesting. I mean, is it going to stop bubbling? As fascinating as I'm sure you find this to be, we'll be back at you when it solidifies and we see what we have. Well, hey Dingo, you want to go in where this starts? Tell the turtle it's time for his flea treatment. Well, it's been about 5 minutes, and I'm sure it's cool enough to touch barehanded by now. Any signs that you see that may indicate that it was taken inside and immersed in a sink full of cold water is purely your imagination. The mold was $13.99 plus shipping. The bismuth, I'm guessing about 2 pounds there. We have a scale, we'll weigh it here in a minute, if we can get it out. I did cool it off. But if we can get it out, we'll weigh it and see what it is. I'm hopeful. Nothing melted through. So well, they say concentrate on the positives. And the positive is the mold isn't damaged. Not sure why the bubbles. All the bubbles says, yeah. If that had been my intention, fine, but it wasn't. So that's a fail. Thumbs down. Boo. My temperature gun was in the building. £1 pound, 7.5 ounces. Alright. We're going to send that, and we're going to send this to Redneck Scrapping up in Canada, America's Hat, because apparently they want crazy money to ship it. So hopefully we'll be able to get this in the international flat rate by pirate ship. Get that on headed towards Canada. Be sure I use the right address this time. Might help. Alright, well, this has been Man Mountain Link. We have tested out our Polish bath molds and found them somewhat confusing, but on the whole, I think it's something we can work with. We can build upon this, I think. I think we can better that. And of course the clown face, we can get the bubbling thing down. Didn't have that problem with these. I don't know if it's the amount, the type, not sure. See the clown? Maybe, maybe not. Anyway, I'm just babbling. This has been Man Mountain Link and several of my cats. And we will talk to you later.
You're the retarded offspring of 5 monkeys having butt sex with a fish squirrel. Congratulations. I can't take it anymore.
The first rule of Fight Club is, you do not talk about Fight Club.